Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today it is day 2 of our challenge. Today we will look at the 9 must-have skills for every data scientist. The first skill we need is statistics. We need statistics because it is essential for us to understand and to build high quality machine learning models. The second skill we need is maths. In this part we will divide maths into two: algebra and calculus. We use maths to understand how our machine learning algorithms work. Our fourth skill is programming. Programming is very essential. Every data scientist starts their career with either Python or R programming language. If you are confused between both, I would recommend you to start with Python as it is easy to understand and learn. The fifth skill is data cleaning. Data cleaning is otherwise called as data wrangling. We use data cleaning to clean the messy data in our data set. For data cleaning, we use tools like Excel and SQL. We also use Pandas, a Python library, to clean our data. The sixth skill we need is data visualization. Data visualization is the fun part in data science. Here we play with colors and numbers. We use tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Python packages like Seaborn and Matplotlib for data visualization. The seventh skill we need is machine learning. Here we will start with some basic machine learning algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, and climb up to advanced machine learning algorithms like decision trees, random forest, and XG gradient boost. The remaining skills are communication skills and storytelling skills. Communication skill is very essential for each and every human being in this world, and storytelling skills is very essential and critical for every data scientist. Stories are always truer than the truth. If you want to become a data scientist, you should train yourself and become a good storyteller with the help of your data and with the help of the visualization you come up with. Thanks for watching, and let's meet tomorrow.